How to block someone on Instagram. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to block someone on Instagram. Now let's get started. First we need to open our Instagram app. If you want to block someone, just go to their profile. Then tap on the three dots at the top right corner. To block someone, you need to choose Block. In a appear menu, you can block all accounts that this user creates or just block one. For example, I will choose the second option. To confirm the action, just click on blue button Block. After blocking, this account will not be able to find your account on Instagram, message you, and of course leaving comments below your posts. And that's all. It was how to block someone on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.